Well, I was watching the latest Mission Impossible movie, and it struck me how often they were using smartphones. Now smartphones are common in almost all modern movies. And then it really struck me about the idea that soon drones will also be in many movies. So in the future, drones will be commonplace in movies and they'll be shaping how the stories are portrayed and outlaid. So it got me thinking, what other 10 movies needed a drone? So I thought I'd put a list together, and if you'd like to leave your own movie that you think should feature a drone, leave it in the comments below, just for a bit of fun. If you're not sure what a drone is, this is a drone, and just for a bit of fun, if they were used in movies, what would the outcome be? So number one, the Hunger Games. If they had drones, would they not get killed? They could spot their attackers much easier using the cameras on the drones. So Hunger Games would have been a very different movie if it had drones. Number two, Jurassic World, Fallen Kingdom. They could use heat sensors to monitor the volcanoes, monitor where the dinosaurs are, again using heat mapping technology on the drones. Number three, there would be no blood. Basically, the oil pipelines could have provided some drones, so we've had some drones like this. Number four, Sicario. In particular scene where it overlooks into Mexico and there's all these explosions, they could have used drones to fly into Mexico and spy on people, spy on the violence and the drug criminals. So that would have been a very different movie. Number five, Three Billboards Outside Ebbing, Missouri. Basically, this movie would have been completely different without drones. As drones become more popular, stories may become very different. Number six, It. The reason is that it's got the balloons. Could the balloons be exploding balloons? Could they knock out drones? Number seven, Mad Max Fury Road. I don't want to give a spoiler away, but basically they could have used drones. Number eight, American Beauty. Instead of this old camera and filming a flying carry bag, he could use a drone, made a lot more dramatic film or footage. Number nine, Bright. Basically, it needed something. It wasn't a very good movie, so a drone would have made it much better. And finally, number 10, Shawshank Redemption. A, because it's my favourite movie, and it's many people's favourite movies. You know, with a drone, it would have been, again, a very different story. So, just a quick list. If you think drones should be in movies, if you don't, please leave a comment below. Let me know how you think drones will shape movies in the future. Some movies could last for 10 minutes because the characters can just deploy a drone. So what impact will drones have on Hollywood, on stories, our favourite movies? Please leave your comments below. Thank you for watching.